All right, a couple things I need to clear up because I was looking over other people's work and I realized we've got some things we haven't quite got right yet. So let's take a look-see. Let's bring my pen back. That'd be good. And here it goes. Okay, so here we go. Some things. If you have, say, Na2CO, I got myself in a box here, CO3, and then, actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and go full crazy on this one. I'll go 4 and 2 here. It's a chemical that can't possibly exist, but we'll just go ahead and do that. What you need to know is that because of the parentheses, this 2 refers to the whole entire thing, everything inside here. So we would say there's Na, there's 4 of those, right? We would say C, there's a CO3 and another CO3 because of this 2. So there's 2 C's, and then since there's 3 oxygens, there'd be a total of 6 oxygens. Okay? Now, what's getting confusing is this. What if I do CO3? Now, this is a little o now. Why does it? It looks exactly the same. Yeah, I understand, but the little o in chemistry land means that this is cobalt, so this is 3 cobalts. Whereas this is a carbon with 3 oxygens. So you have to pay attention to capital letters versus non-capital letters. Okay, so for example, if I gave you 2 H6, now am I doing here? H12. Oh man, I do this completely wrong. Hold on. Let me hit the eraser here. I can do this. So I'm going to give you C6H12O6. That's sugar, by the way. And I'm going to add oxygen. So I should know how much oxygen does it take to do it. Let me quickly do a calculation in my head. I need 6 of these. I need 6 of these. Question is, how much of each of these different chemicals do I have? Well, here I have 6 carbons. I have 12 hydrogens. And I have 6 oxygens. And then right here, I have 6 O2s, which means I have 6. Each one has 2 oxygens in it, so that's going to be another 12 oxygens. And so note these are the same, right? So then I would have C6 plus 12 H's plus 18 oxygens, and that's the way that would work. All right, so hopefully you've got it. If you've got it, I want you to go ahead and try the very first problem on the worksheet that I just gave you. Pause this and then start it back up when you're ready to check your answer. All right. All right, starting to unpause. Now I'm unpausing. Okay, so take a look at this. I have right here, I have 1 iron. So I have 1 iron atom. I have, I got to blow that up. I can't even see it. I'm too shrinky for me. Let's select this whole thing and make it bigger. Make it bigger. Thank you. All right. So that's NO32, right? So if that's NO32, so that means N, there's only 1 N, except that I have, because of these parentheses, I have 2 sets of this, right? So that means I'm going to have 2 N's. All right. Oxygens, I have 3 inside the parentheses, but I have 2 sets of because of the 2, I have 2 sets of these, right? So this ends up being 6 oxygens, and I may have to fix that in just a second. And then I got 3 out in front, so everything in here is going to be 3. Li1, right? There should be 1 there, so there's only 1 Li, except I got 3 sets of that, so that means 3 lithiums. I now look at the oxygen. Now I got a problem on my hands. I already had oxygens. Do I have them right here, right? But I have 3 more oxygens, so I'm going to have to erase this and realize I'm going to have a total of 9 oxygens. 9 oxygens. Again, here I had 3 oxygens, but I had 2 sets of that, so I had 6, plus I have another 3 more in this. How many hydrogens do I have? I have 3 hydrogens. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so that's how you do these problems, okay? Send questions to me. I would like to look them over and see what you got. All right? But again, for most part, it's very similar to last time's assignment. So you just want to play with it a little bit, okay? All right. Bye-bye.